Hi, in this quick video I will show you an easy and cheap way to remove and put back the new AirPods on your Technics DJ headphones. The stock AirPod cushions are of very poor quality. Today I will demonstrate how to remove the old AirPods and replace them with new, higher quality replacement pads. The URL for the new AirPods is in the video description. Removing the old AirPods is very easy. Simply grab the pad and pull it off. Pad held on the headphones housing using a groove. Repeat the same process to remove the second AirPod. To install the new AirPods, first stretch the edge of the pad. This will make it easier to fit pad on the headphones. Insert as much of the AirPod edge into the headphone groove as possible. Hold the insert part in place to prevent it from slipping out, and use your other hand to pull the remaining edge into the groove. Continue doing this until the entire edge of the AirPod is inserted in the headphone's groove. You can use your nail to help the pad's edge get in the groove if you need it. Then repeat the same steps for the other AirPod. AirPod installation isn't difficult, but it might take some time if you're doing it for the first time. If you have any questions, feel free to share them in the comments below this video. Good luck!